Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe Z51 2LT in Laguna Blue on black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the trunk area here. I'll let you have a look. So this one does have a removable targa top, which is a transparent or glass roof. So it does look black from the exterior, which looks really nice against the Laguna Blue. This does fold up, so you can see underneath. So it does have a transparent tone to it. There is storage down on the corner, and it's got the cargo net here as well. Lock this back into place, and we do have a Corvette car cover up front as well. We've got the privacy shade, so there's the top piece and there's the lower piece there. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk. It's got nice deep dark tinted windows. We've got the Z51 spoiler done in carbon flash metallic surrounds around the LED taillights, carbon flash metallic badge package, and NPP performance exhaust. So the two outer ports have dampers on them that open and close electronically based on your setting to make the exhaust louder or quieter. So we'll just shift around this side here. Here's your rear wheel. So it's got nice high gloss black Z51 style wheels. We've got black painted calipers, heavy duty brakes, and nice Michelin tires on there. Along the bottom here, we've got nice exposed carbon fiber Z06, Z07 style side skirts. Looks great. And over at the passenger door panel, we've got nice baseball stitching. We've got a 10-speaker Bose stereo. We've got electronic door release, power windows, and power locks. This one also has the carbon flash metallic mirrors, which accent nicely against the Laguna Blue. Here's your Corvette kick plate on the passenger side. So it's in pretty good shape, couple little minor marks, but nothing crazy. Down here is your power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. These are the competition seats. So there's the carbon fiber inlay, competition seat, very cool. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's have a look in the glove box. So in the glove box, we do have the books, those are there. We've got the nice baseball stitching on the lower portion of the dash. Here's the upper portion. It also has baseball stitching as well. And then over in the corner here, we've got heated and cooled seat controls for the passenger, temperature display for the passenger, and temperature control for the passenger. So we'll just hop out and we'll close this side up. And I'll just step to the back of the vehicle and we'll move along this side so you can see the condition. Looks fantastic. Love the skirts. What a great accent on this car. And here we are at the front. So there's your front wheel. So again, nice high gloss Z51 black wheels, black painted calipers, heavy duty brakes, nice Michelin tires. And then there's your Stingray and your carbon flash metallic insert on the vent as well. So here we are under the hood. We've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 460 horsepower, and that's paired to a 7-speed manual transmission. As you can see, it's nice and neat and tidy under here. Looks good. And down here in the corner, we have our dry sump oil system. And with the Z51, you also get transmission cooler and rear differential cooler. And then this one does have the adjustable suspension. So there's the cable there for it. Here's the hood liner with the embossed Corvette logo. Awesome. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this and we'll have a look from the front. So here it is from the front. So again, we've got the ACS composite style exposed carbon fiber front lip, which looks fantastic. It's in great shape, as you can see. And there's your headlights. So we've got black housing, projector HUD headlights, LED turn signals, and LED daytime running lights. We've got the carbon flash metallic hood stinger stripe and carbon flash metallic vents. So great color combo, looks awesome. In terms of issues, there is one little touch up that's been done right here. And just have a close look here, see if there's anything else. There's a couple little tiny stone chips here. And that's it, great. So we'll just move around this side. And here's your other front wheel. So again, nice high gloss Z51 style wheels, black calipers, heavy duty brakes, Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Awesome. So onto the driver's side. So again, we've got that 10-speaker Bose stereo. We've got our power windows, power locks. We've got 2 user memory with a programmable exit button. We've got that nice baseball stitching. Looks awesome. Here's the kick plate on the driver's side. It's in fantastic shape. There's one little tiny mark right here. A little indentation, as you can see, I'll just move there, and a couple minor little marks, but overall it's in good shape. It is a kick plate, so it is doing its job. So here's the power seat control, power 4 aft up down, power recline, lumbar and side bolster adjustment, and I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Awesome. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean, and let's get in and fire this one up. So in terms of kilometers, we have 29,059 kilometers. No warning lights or issues there on the dash. Over here we have our cruise control buttons. Down below are our favorites or track change. On this side is our volume control. Up above is our arrow keys, which work the dash. So that gives us info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and settings. Above that is telephone control. So you get hang up and answer, as well as voice command. And you've got rev match on and off, and rev match on and off on this side. Rev match will rev the engine automatically to the speed of the transmission. So when you're downshifting, they match up. So that's a very cool feature. So this one also has heads-up display. So I just turned off the headlights there, and I'll just move this along. So there's the heads-up display. So very neat. Those controls are over on this side here. You've got power mirrors. You've got trunk release, motion alarm on and off. And we've got power tilt and telescopic steering wheel on this side. Over here you've got your push button start. We've got behind screen storage with USB. And we've got audio. So audio is going to be your AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, and then we've got telephone controls, we've got factory navigation, and settings, PDR, so you got your performance data recorder built in. And if I put it in reverse, there's your reverse camera. And down below here are our climate controls. So when I turn that up, there's your temperature for your driver, and you've got a separate temperature which is displayed over there for your passenger. Here's my cooled seat, heated seat, and then there's secondary controls for the passenger. We've got the nice Corvette Stingray placard. There's your 7-speed manual transmission. There's your 12-volt socket, cup holders, electronic parking brake, and mode selector. When we twist the mode selector, we get sport, track, weather, eco, touring, and back to sport. So that's controlled there. And then in the center armrest here, we've got an SD card, 2 USBs, auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket. So that's great. And we'll just hop out now with it running. Before I do that, I'll just show you, we've got the auto-dimming frameless rearview mirror and the auto-dimming driver's mirror. So let's hop out, have a look and a listen. Nice rumble to it, good sound. So I'll just hop out and I'll show you with the headlights on. Here it is from the front. Sharp looking car. And now I'll just move along this side so you can see the condition. What a sharp looking color. Love the Laguna Blue. Great accents. Awesome machine. Nice rumble to the exhaust. Sounds good. There you have it, folks. 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe Z51 2LT in Laguna Blue, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.